All this shit does is create noise. If you focus on signal meaning macro, your world, what you can control, what your end result looks like, what your goals are, what you need to focus on, that is signal. That is signal. Everything else is noise. The news is noise. Social media scrolling is noise. What that practice is doing over there, that's noise. This person, bought this device, that's noise. You know what you need to do. You know what you need to do, right? And so block out the noise, focus on signal.